A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant escalation of the immigration debate, the American Civil Liberties Union, ACLU, has filed a lawsuit challenging President Donald Trump's recent executive action that suspends asylum claims at the southern U.S. border. This controversial move, announced during a signing ceremony for the Laken Riley Act in the East Room of the White House, effectively bars migrants from seeking asylum and allows immigration officers to swiftly remove those attempting to claim refuge. The ACLU's lawsuit, lodged in the U.S. District Court for the District of Columbia, argues that Trump's unilateral decision to suspend asylum access is not only unlawful but also unprecedented, as it overrides the authority granted to Congress. Joining the ACLU in this legal challenge are three immigrant rights organizations: the Refugee and Immigrant Center for Education and Legal Services, RACES, Las Americas Immigrant Advocacy Center, and the Florence Immigrant and Refugee Rights Project. The lawsuit contends that the government is violating established legal protections by returning asylum seekers, including families, to countries where they face potential persecution or torture without allowing them to invoke the legal protections that Congress has established. Lee Gellernt, Deputy Director of the ACLU's Immigrants' Rights Project, emphasized the gravity of the situation, stating, "This is an unprecedented power grab that will put countless lives in danger. No president has the authority to unilaterally override the protections Congress has afforded those fleeing danger." The executive order, which was issued shortly after Trump took office, cites the need to protect the U.S. from what the administration describes as an invasion at the southern border. However, critics argue that this characterization is misleading, especially given that unauthorized crossings have significantly decreased in recent months, returning to levels seen during the COVID-19 pandemic. The ACLU's lawsuit highlights the chaos and confusion that Trump's order has caused at the southern border, leaving tens of thousands of asylum seekers stranded in Mexico with limited options to enter the U.S. legally. The lawsuit claims that Trump's actions violate both federal laws and international agreements designed to protect individuals fleeing persecution. The president's executive order also includes the shutdown of the CBP-1 mobile application, which had previously allowed migrants to schedule appointments for asylum claims. This app was instrumental in providing a legal pathway for many seeking refuge in the U.S., with over 936,500 appointments scheduled between January 2023 and December 2024. The ACLU's legal challenge is a continuation of the organization's efforts to hold the Trump administration accountable for its immigration policies. Under previous administrations, including that of President Biden, asylum restrictions were implemented, but they still allowed for some pathways for immigrants to seek refuge at designated ports of entry. In stark contrast, Trump's recent actions have effectively eliminated these pathways, raising concerns about the safety and rights of asylum seekers. The lawsuit requests an immediate injunction to prevent the implementation of the asylum ban, arguing that it undermines the very foundation of the U.S. asylum system. As the legal battle unfolds, the implications of Trump's executive order could reshape the immigration landscape and redefine America's identity as a refuge for those fleeing persecution. The ACLU and its partners are determined to challenge what they describe as an extreme and unprecedented measure that threatens the lives of countless vulnerable individuals. The outcome of this lawsuit could set a critical precedent for the future of asylum in the United States, as well as the broader conversation about immigration policy in a country that has long been seen as a safe haven for those in need. As this situation develops, the ACLU remains committed to advocating for the rights of immigrants and ensuring that the U.S. upholds its legal obligations to protect those fleeing danger. The White House has yet to respond to the lawsuit, and the Department of Homeland Security has declined to comment on the matter. The stakes are high as the nation grapples with complex immigration issues that continue to evoke strong emotions and divisive opinions across the political spectrum. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.